You say this eye looks much bigger than this eye. Well, I used a couple techniques to make my eyes a little bit more lifted, a little bit more wide. I mean, I'm cracking up because it looks so weird, but I'm going to show you in this video. So I look into the mirror and I'm going to tilt my head. There's a line here for me. From my line, that imaginary line outwards is where I apply all my browns and my blacks and all the darker shades. In the fold is where I usually apply my lighter shades. I'm going to pick up my brown shade from my NARS palette, but if you don't even have a brown eyeshadow, you could use your bronzer. I'm going to hold my brush like this from outwards, from the line, and then I'm just going to gradually add some brown towards my brows, and I'm going to pull it upwards like that. Instantly, look at that lift. Magic. Now I'm going to go with a smaller brush. The smaller the brush, the denser the bristles, you're going to get more color payoff. You could choose that same brown. I'm going to go in with a little darker one like this. And then where's my fold? There. I'm just going to add a little bit more darkness, you know, for that little gradient effect. This makes it look like you're very professional and you know what you're doing with makeup, because it's going from dark to light like this, and then always upwards, 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 because we want it to be like shh. Now I'm going to pick up a shimmery shadow. My favorite way of applying shimmer shadows is with my fingers, because it just applies better, I feel like. And even if I want more color payoff, I'm going to wet my fingers. It could be with a Fix Plus, but I'm going to use water because I'm cheap. I'm going to use a bright pencil. Look at this one. This is dark. It closes off my eyes. This one, I prefer like metallic, by the way, nude pencils, because it just gives you like that little bit of oomph. It opens it up more. Eyeliner, it cuts off exactly where my eye ends. This one, I'm going to go for my bottom lashes from here upwards towards my brow, and I'm going to wing it out. This is obviously not an easy process for me doing my liner on my iPhone, but we're going to give it a try. Okay, I'm going to fill this in. A smaller brush and that same brown eyeshadow I applied here, and I'm just going to bring it on my lower lashes. This is also amazing for people who have like little lines and they want to hide it. Apply a full coat of mascara, top lashes and bottom both. Lashes are very important. If they're too full, they could close down your eyes. So I'm going to take any lashes that you have that's not too full. I cut it in half and I'm going to stick it on my outer corner. This, guys, is how I do my eyeshadow and eyeliner to make my eyes look a little bit more lifted, a little bit more open. Now, don't forget, this doesn't mean that the larger eyes look prettier than the smaller eyes. That's just what society wants us to think. But also, some days I like to do my eyes like this, and some days I like to do my eyes like that. Leave a comment which one you prefer. Forehead kiss, as Emma Chamberlain says, and stay safe. Bye!